We are interior designers, so we today I am going to talk about the pandemic effect and how we see the trends changing, how the trends in interior designing will change now from now on. Now, pandemic, the COVID has actually made sure, which, for some people it may be a blessing in disguise, for some people it may be, spending quality time with the family and etc. etc. So basically we all have COVID-19 has made sure, this pandemic has made sure that we are at home. Everybody is at home. So when we have spent so much of time at home, we have spent so much of quality time at home, we have kind of, I'm sure everyone has kind of scrutinized and understood their homes in a much better manner than what it was earlier than the pandemic. So now our homes in these 4 months, the homes have not been just homes. Homes have gone beyond just being homes. We all have taken out space from space. Now, what exactly I mean by space from space is that we have actually managed to make our homes our gyms, our worship area, our meditation area, our leisure area, our work area, and children having their online classes. So it's like education and etc etc etc. So it is a multi-purpose station or multi-purpose place that our homes have become, unlike what it used to be earlier. Like for all these rest of the things, people used to step out of the house. So what does this kind of indicate? Now, this actually indicates and tells us that we know ourselves better, we know our homes better, we know our families better. So since we are have improved and are better off at all these areas which actually matter to us a lot, then in that case we would definitely give a thought as to how our homes are, whether they are user friendly, whether the kind of stuff we had at home was sufficient, whether we need to kind of improvise on those, or whatever it could be. Now, people who have realized this are looking forward to certain things which we interior designers and architects presume would be the trends from hereafter. Now, what are those trends? So first of all, I think we have all been in those small places. So and we have been confined to the place, so we have not been stepping out of the house that much. And since we have not been stepping out of the houses, we know, we realize the importance of fresh air, we realize the importance of space. And जितना सुनने में आता है, COVID-19 is here to stay, or some or the other things keep happening. So at least it has made us realize that we need to have space around us. So this would lead to orientation of the space. This would lead to minimalistic look, being your house being more spacious. Your house will also kind of work around the basic needs. It should be well ventilated. Things like balconies, things like terraces, things like the open spaces will have more value. Obviously, the natural flow of lights, the air, etc. will gain more weightage. And having said that, even the designs will have to be, maybe more straight lines, more lighter, more light, more user friendly, more maintenance free. And these are the trends which we hope to see in the coming months. Also, the turnaround of the homes would happen quickly. Um, in terms of usage of materials, so in terms of usage of materials, it's going to be more maintenance free materials, hassle free materials. So I see the trend moving from the matte finishes and rough textures to the smooth finishes and the polished finishes, where it is easy for all of us to maintain. Plus, when it comes to even the upholsteries and stuff, which can be long lasting, but at the same time can be washed and used easily. Now, these are few things which I presume is definitely going to happen. If anybody has any questions or any contribution to this conversation, please feel free to put down your comments below, and I will be more than happy to answer those questions. So in India, we traditionally have open windows and open air system, where we prefer more natural rather than the ACs. But over a period of time, and especially in a place like Mumbai and metros, people have started installing ACs and the fully centrally air conditioned rooms and stuff like that. So I think somewhere that will take a back seat, and people will be more, will try to be more with the nature, more with the fresh air, and also the materials that we are going to be using more would be the materials which can be washed and cleaned well, so that they are like more, I would say, like say antimicrobial substances. So from the hygiene point of view, it will be much more easy to maintain and hassle free materials, whether it is with reference to the civil work, the tiling work, the marbles or granites, or the false ceilings, or to the upholstery, the soft furnishing, or the sofas. Or so people would love to have lighter and sleek designs, rather than going in for the very bulky and very heavy designs, so that we can get space out of space. Moreover, I think the houses and homes and spaces will be much more organized, in the sense that people would prefer more of space, not only for their bedroom and for living area and kitchen, but also for gym, for their yoga, leisure activities, for spending time with their families, home theaters maybe. And if I specifically talk about the kitchens, then I think every one of us have tried our hands on in the kitchens in this pandemic, and we know what is needed and what is missing in our kitchens. So the appliances like dishwashers, and maybe the inbuilt appliances for cooking range and whole lot of things, we might feel the need for it. We might know, I'm sure there will be a need to have all these things in the kitchens to make our life more easy, and I think to be quick on finishing our work, because these appliances help you fasten all your speed and finish your work, and best utilization of time if used properly. So these are certain things which I think, I'm sure people would have realized. So obviously they would want their kitchens to be more organized with where, what, everything, including earlier it used to be only the lady of the house, but now I think the entire families have tried their hands on. So I'm sure they would all come up with all these kind of suggestions and stuff. So they would definitely, that would add value. So this is with reference to the kitchen. Moreover, I think safety will take over. Because safety at this point of time, like, safety would be like, seamless things, maybe the voiceover at the entrance, or maybe the cameras at the entrance, or the contactless automated systems in place outside the house, and the security, basically the security and the safety systems will definitely take over. It is going to, the trend seems to be seeing more towards minimalistic and clean and neat lines, for sure. And with reference to the colors, I think people would move more towards the nature, more towards where they can get rejuvenated, more with reference to where they get refreshed. And this is one place where we spend the maximum time. And now, since work from home culture has come in, or has been forced upon people, though I'm sure it is not going to be a forever trend. It is not going to be a forever trend. I don't think so. I don't foresee that. It is, but it is here to stay for a long, long time. Because we are all human beings, and human beings are social animals. So we need to meet people, we need to interact people, but maybe the percentage might differ. So in that case, obviously, the work, when it is work from home, you need to maintain the balance between your home and work life. And in order to do that, it is very, very important to be very organized in whatever you do. Now, when it comes to your professional space, that is when I'm talking about the office space. So we never thought that pandemic, we will have to see the pandemic like corona virus. So now, since it's here, it has taught us to have in the office also, the designing has to be very, very sleek and seamless, also maintaining the distance, so that each employee is maintaining good distance. So this is what is my take as far as interiors trends are concerned. And if anybody has any questions or any inputs on this, because I cannot see any comments here, I'm not able to read the comments. If you have any questions, please feel free, and I'm here to answer to your queries. If you have any requirement of interiors with reference to your workspace or with reference to your home residence space, please feel free to get in touch, DM me, and we shall take it on from there. Prithvi, we are all fine. Thank you so much. How are you? I hope you're doing fine too. So we at Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation have started taking projects, and we have started our work again with utmost care and keeping all the hygiene standards in place as far as our sites are concerned, as far as our contractors are concerned. So for all your interior needs, one-stop shop solution is Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation. We also specialize in kitchens, and we have about 14 years of experience in this field, and we have done more than 150 spaces, including residential, including hospitals, clinics, and offices and stuff. Our USPs are meeting the deadlines, the quality, and after sales service. So for all your interior needs, you can feel free to get in touch with Inner Space Interior Designing and Consultation. You can ask for me, or you can ask for Ranjit. You're most welcome, Teju. I hope the information helped, and it will give you a way forward as to how to plan out your